Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a custom LEGO Cassian Andor. So without any further ado, let us begin. First, you're going to want the legs from a first order TIE pilot. The torso comes from this Jurassic World minifigure. I used the dark brown arms from this Anakin minifigure and swapped on some grey hands. I gave him the bag from Finn for a nice extra detail. The head comes from this Snap Wexley minifigure, and finally the hair I used comes from this Revenge of the Sith Anakin. Doing it correctly should result in a minifigure that looks something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're putting it together. Overall, I'm quite happy with the way that this minifigure has turned out. I would buy the official one from the set, but it's quite expensive, so I'll need to wait till a special occasion to get that. If you have any video ideas that you would like to see me make, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. For example, I've got this cool build for the droid, I forgot his name, but it will come to me, and I could make a tutorial for it or something like that. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you could give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. I also made Luthen Rail a few months ago, and if you'd like to make him and don't want the set, maybe you could check that video out. I do have an alternate suggestion for the torso in the top comment.